Is there any perfume that really touched your heart to a point that it gave you memories that you did not expect?
Purchasing perfumes is truly parang an emotional experience. And when I started my fragrance journey, one of the very first fragrances that I purchased was a perfume that reminded me of my dad. Naalala ko yung pagkabata ko na, honestly, it took me back to a memory na parang na 5 or 6 years old ako. Binubuksan ko yung, kasi tatay ko abogado may attache case yun. Pagbukas niya, pag naamoy ko yung pabango niya dun sa loob ng briefcase niya na yun yung naalala ko nung naamoy ko yung perfume na binili ko. Ay, nung naamoy ko siya, sabi ko, shucks, kailangan kong bilhin to. Kasi parang I want something na parang it will remind me of my dad. And nung pinamoy ko sa kanya, sabi niya parang, yan nakang bango nito. So, sabi ko parang, sige, sa'yo na yan. So, kumuha ko na isa pa. Kasi nga limited edition. Tapos nung chugi-chugi na,
Pag namimiss mo siya, at least maamoy mo, di ba?
Parang remembrance,
That's
kumbaga.
so nice.
Oo.
At least you had that time and that moment in order for you to feel na talagang, oh my God, this is not just a memory of me and my father, but it's a memory of finally me giving something to my father.
Yes.
Hi, this is Stephanie, your bag bestie, and today's episode is a very special episode because I will present to you a friend that I've never saw coming. Like, we'd never met each other yet, but our relationship was already building from afar. And I'm very proud to present her because she's not only a person who is very pretty, she is also a person who turned her passion into something new. Not a business, but she became an influencer. So let us welcome Miss Pat!
Hello!
This is the truth behind building every business. Hindi lang sa puro glitz and glamour. Thank you so much, drama. Gusto ko ma-experience kung ano yung na-experience ng ibang tao pag bumibili ng mahal na bag. Hi, this is Stephanie, your bag bestie.
Hi, my name is Pat. I am a fragrance collector and I also like to write about my favorite fragrances on my page, Niche Nook Frags. You can find me on TikTok and Instagram. You may also know me as the admin or one of the admins of Manila Bag Exchange Buy and Sell. It is a community for buyers and sellers on Facebook for pre-loved designer bags.
Oh, yeah. So, alam nyo, yung Manila Bags, even before the online selling became a thing, I was already a part of it. Kasi yung bags na yon, pag nandun siya sa website na yun, or sorry, Facebook group, right? It means that it was authenticated by her and she can vouch it that it was authentic. So, it was a safe place. It was a very safe place, right? What happened to it?
Well, wala naman. It's still thriving. It's become a bit quieter kasi like you mentioned before, nag-usap kami ni Stephanie before na talagang ang future is live selling. Kasi sa live selling, they can declare all of the flaws, they can declare all kinds of issues or whatnot na usually hindi naman nade-declare ng end user.
Totoo. Tsaka pangit lang kasi sa part ninyo dati, no PM.
Yes.
Ang pangit nun.
Yes.
So,
pero to be fair, kaya lang naman no PM because we want to promote transparency. Parang in the sense na, parang if I tell you something over PM, other people might not know the answer. Kung kunwari, tinanong niya dun sa item.
Point.
Yun lang naman yun. It's all for transparency.
Pero feeling ko, kaya rin nag-die down si Manila Bags Exchanges because there's no personal connection.
Yes,
Like,
that's
you can
true.
only like see it, and then you mine it, and then you hope na ikaw yung mauna, tapos biglang di naman magre-reply yung seller. Ang hirap.
May ganon. And minsan din kasi, it's also down to the personality of each of the sellers and each of the buyers. Sometimes, merong mga troubled na, well, not naman troubled, pero parang merong instances na kapag nag-meet na sila, minsan may miscommunications or something. And I think that is where live sellers like you come in.
True.
Kasi kayo yung nade-declare nyo, kilala kayo ng lahat ng tao. Alam nila yung personality nyo. So, it's as if they're your friend, but online. It's like us, nung parang bago tayo nagkita in person, nagkakilala tayo online.
Ayun na nga. So, how did Pat and I met? So, there was this another group I cannot mention kasi baka ma-trace ninyo, hanapin ninyo, diba? So, there was really, really, really long time ago, there was this person who opened a chat or a chat there na, hey, I got this from the seller. And then, hindi niya dineclare na may amoy yung canvas. So, I was there because I was an opinionated person. And I think that as a seller, it's your due diligence to really, really say everything. And now, if the item is not satisfactory to the client within 1 to 3 days, pwede niyang ibalik.
Yes.
But this seller, hindi niya sinabi, hindi niya pinabalik, no refund, no exchange na daw, kahit hindi pa nagagamit ng tao. Tapos pangalawang ginawa niya is, she was always telling everyone, parte lang naman yan, talaga may amoy yung monogram. Girl, it's not like that, right?
Yes. And I think, like what I said earlier, that is where live sellers come in. Kasi as live sellers, you can disclose and you should disclose all of the known issues, all of the known flaws. And si Steph kasi, siya lang yung kilala ko na nag-pioneer ng talagang honest to God na pagbenta.
With sniffing.
Oo.
Uy, may
Oo.
cabinet, ganun.
Diba? Ay, amoy mothballs.
Bakla.
Naphthalene.
True.
Diba? So, iyon, parang, I think this was one of the reasons why I was so drawn to Stephanie as a person. Kasi, yung honesty niya, it resonated to me kasi I'm the type of person also na as your friend, talagang paprangkahin kita. If you do something wrong, paprangkahin kita. I will tell you honestly and kumbaga, take it or leave it.
True, kasi yun ang personal opinion mo and that's
Yes.
for you, diba? It's up to me how I will think of it and maybe reflect on it or maybe project it to you. Baka may mga ganun kasing tao. Alam mo
Oo,
naman,
oo.
trauma dumping. Next time yun yung next topic natin, our traumas in life. So next question, love. How did we meet?
How did we
Personally.
meet? So,
Sa dati kong work.
Yes. So, sa dati niyang work, parang sinabi niya sa akin na parang, uy, I'm partnering with ganito, ganyan. So, sabi ko, parang, oh my gosh, sige, tatry natin. That was during the peak of the pandemic. So, it was really hard for me to leave home. It was really hard for me to, like,
Connect.
yeah, and have a social life, to be honest.
Pero ang sweet-sweet niya, nagpadala ng pagkain yan sa akin, naluto niya.
Oh my God, naalala mo, nagpadala pa ako ng
Sundays
sotangkon.
yun. Yes.
So, yun. Ako kasi, yun nga parang, and yung work niya kasi, bale, dito siya nakatira sa Manila, pero yung work niya was in
Farview.
far talaga. Na sa akin, as someone coming from Makati, napakalayo talagang babiyahe ako mga 2 oras, pero pumupunta ako sa inyo.
Yeah, then napakonsign ka rin, right?
Napakadaming pinakonsign ko sa kanila.
Nahirap
yun
ibenta. Harap
Sorry
ibenta
naman.
eh.
Sorry naman.
Sige,
Balik mo
yung
na
galing
lang.
pa, ayun, the 30 years nandiyan pa. 30
balik
years
mo
ago
na
na
lang.
bags, ganun.
Balik mo na.
Okay.
Ayun. So, parang, kumbaga, nung nag-start siya doon, gusto ko talagang mag-support sa'yo.
Thank
Kasi,
you, love.
friend ko rin naman si
Yung
other
other,
person. So, it felt great na parang, uy, nakakalabas-labas ako. Tapos, it also felt great na yung kinikita ko kahit malayo, parang ang ganda ng energy. Yung pag-uuwi ako, parang hindi ako pagod.
Oh, yeah, you can sense the energy too.
Yes.
Yes.
Yun.
Tapos, in-invite ka pa namin sa
Nag-Christmas party
Christmas
pa kayo.
party. Kasi syempre, yung mga supporters namin, yung first Christmas party namin, I wanted to bring the clients to say thank you kasi it will not be possible without you guys.
Yes. Ayun, so parang sa tagal namin magkakilala online, to me, it was as if parang same kami talaga ng personality. Not just yung sa pagkaprangka, but also as a friend. Like, she is also the type of friend na, and I just really wanna highlight this. Si Stephanie kasi, she's the type of friend na kapag may binigay ka sa kanya, she will always reciprocate it.
And give it back.
Yes.
Lalo na si Pat, alam mo yung mere times na hindi kami masyado nag-uusap. And then, magugulat ka na lang, every time, who to consign with Stephanie Ontenco? Who is ganyan Stephanie Ontenco? So talagang,
siya lang talaga sinasabi.
sabi ko, shit, grabe tong taong to, na kahit na that time I was busy with my own life, she still thinks of me and supports me. Kaya talagang fina-follow ko yan. And then when she started the Niche Nook Frags, talagang sabi ko, Mami, paano kita susupport? Sige, bumili ka ng mga bottle kasi nagdidika siya dati. Bili talaga ako, babe. Kasi for me, support is so important.
Yes. And I just wanna tell this story also, na the last time I visited her shop here, she did something to me na parang hindi ko talaga ine-expect. Na parang hindi ko nasasabihin, pero tinext ko siya nung pag-uwi ko. Sabi ko parang, uy, thank you. Isasend ko sa'yo yung screenshot kung pwede ilagay natin dun sa screen. Na, sabi ko, uy, thank you. Kasi not everyone reciprocates parang the effort. Sabi mo, parang dapat lang, parang kumbaga deserve mo.
Deserve
Oo,
mo.
parang yun yung gist ng conversation. And honestly, naiyak ako nun. Kasi yun yung parang naging realization ko na parang, uy, totoong friend talaga tong si Steph.
Ako, I keep little friends in my circle because the way she says it, I want to reciprocate. So, kahit gusto kong damihan yung kaibigan ko, kung di ko naman mabigay yung binibigay mo, parang naawa ako dun sa tao. Like, yung ganun, di ba? Like,
Yes.
ano yun? So, baka isipin niya sa akin, ano lang ako, parang kung kailan ko lang siya kailangan, tsaka ko lang siya maaalala. Ayoko
Yes.
maging ganong friend.
Mm.
So, nagulat ako na wala siya, hindi naman, siyempre si Miss Manila ba, si Manila Exchange na wala na. And then I kept, siyempre naka-follow ako sa Instagram niya. Tapos nakita ko nga na nag-snook na siya. So, sabi ko, oy, wow. Shinare ko yan sa profile ko.
Pero wait lang.
Mm.
Ulitin lang natin. Kasi hindi naman nawala si Manila Bag.
Nawala
Parang
ba?
hindi naman siya nawala. Parang
Ay,
nandun
sige.
pa rin siya. Pero parang kumbaga, hindi na siya as parang budding as before.
Okay, tatanungin na lang kita. How did you start Niche Nook Frags pala?
So Niche Nook Frags, it started at the time na parang pawala na yung pandemic. It was a bit of an emotional journey for me kasi parang fragrances, it's a trip down, sometimes it's a trip down memory lane. When you smell a fragrance, sometimes it triggers a memory from maybe your childhood or maybe even a trauma. Di ba may mga memes ngayon yung parang aamoy sila ng Christian Dior Sauvage tapos sabihin nila, ay naaalala ko yung ex ko. Ganon. So, yun.
True, yeah.
And sa akin kasi, like I said, it was an emotional journey. And when I started collecting, it was really, really emotional. Like, I buy from the heart. And then, it just grew. And then I thought na, parang, uy, parang sikat ngayon magbenta ng decants. So if you're not aware, decants are, decanting businesses for perfumes are, kung kunwari, you want to try out a perfume, but it costs maybe 40,000 o 20,000 pesos. Syempre, hindi ka naman bibili ng full bottle, di ba? Gusto mo muna i-try ng isang maliit lang na sample. And sometimes in department stores, they don't do that unless you buy from them first, which defeats the purpose of the sample itself. So, that's where we come in. Kasi, nagbebenta kami ng parang tingi. Kung kunwari, meron akong 200 ml bottle nito, magbebenta ako 5 ml sa'yo or pwede bumili ka kahit 1 ml lang para talagang literal masubukan mo lang. Kasi, ang fragrances, it smells different on paper than it does on the sprayer than it does on your skin. Kasi ang skin natin, merong sariling pH levels yan na nag-a-affect din yung pinaka-fragrance oils. So,
true. That's so true. And then, when she started that, if you remember, I really texted her. I really messaged her, uy, keep doing that. Kasi ikaw pa lang ang gumaganyan. And that's a niche market. And once you penetrate it, you will be the first one. And I'm so happy and proud every time I see her. Na nakikita ko siya, nasa event siya ng YSL, nasa event siya ng Prada. I'm so, like, my heart is like, oh my God, you did it. You did it. And I'm proud of you.
Thank you. But yun nga, parang si fragrances kasi, si Niche Nook mismo as a business, parang I realized a bit later on na parang I would do more justice to the perfumers kasi marami na rin akong mga kilala sa fragrance community, especially locally. Ang daming mga magagaling na local perfumers, sila Greg Parilla, sila Sir Renato Lopena, si Shale Albao. Ang gagaling nila, as in yung paggawa nila ng perfumes, it's very French, na you would think na parang, uy, kung hindi ko alam yung tatak nito, you would think parang, uy, Louis Vuitton ba to?
I have a business
Kilian ba to?
idea. Can you introduce me to them so I can make my own bag perfume sachet?
Pwede.
Let's go.
Pwede.
Let's go.
So, yun. Parang with Niche Nook, parang I didn't see parang a longevity in terms of parang me being in the market.
Yes.
Oo. So, sabi ko, I will transition out of this business. Since I'm a collector anyway, I'm happy to have the collection in my collection. Collection.
At ako naman yung taga-bili pag ayaw ko niya.
So parang kapag, ang ginagawa ko na lang ngayon, kapag kunwari meron akong isang perfume na gusto kong i-distash, tatanungin ko si Stephanie. In fact, may binili yan sa akin mga 2 months ago.
Gusto ko yung girlan ha. Next time pag ayaw mo na, girlan.
Sige. Pero may pangalan ko yun.
Pakialam ko. Charot.
So anyway, so yun. Parang ngayon, I have transitioned into events. So me being as a micro-influencer, that is the market that I am trying to penetrate.
You are already there.
Thank you.
You are
Thank
already
you,
there.
thank you.
Even Avon tops her in.
Yes.
Diba? So, paano mo malalaman na you're in already? So, kung yung mga bago sa market, ikaw yung ini-invite, ibig sabihin, they already know that you are a voice in your market.
Oo.
Kailan kaya ma-invite nila with them?
Pwede naman.
Hindi, charot lang, mahal
Hahanapan
din.
natin ng paraan yan.
Oo, wag
Hahanapan
lang.
natin ng paraan yan.
Invite-
Dog showin natin yung mga event.
Hello? May free love po ba dito?
Meron po bang ano dito? Baby cologne?
Mahal do, 18,000 ba?
Ang alin?
Ang Louis Vuitton?
Louis
Isang
Vuitton? No,
perfume?
now it's 19.7.
Oh my God. It
Oo.
just keeps
19.7,
on...
19.4. Basta parang ganun.
Ang mahal.
Sa harapan ng mga LV mo.
O yung
no?
mga bags, understandable, baby. Because the material, the labor. O yun,
Oh,
mix
true.
lang naman yun ah.
True
Bote
naman.
ba? Nagmamahal? Glass?
Fragrance oils. Fragrances and bags kasi, they're, for me, two very different kinds of luxuries.
True.
Ang bags kasi, especially ako kasi, I always buy pre-owned. I cannot fathom yung depreciation once I leave the store. Pero may times din naman na bumibili din naman ako sa store.
Pag-sale.
Yes. And yun, parang sa fragrances kasi, it's a luxury that, paano ko ba i-word? Parang luxury siya na nauubos. Kasi
That's
ang pabango
so true.
nauubos eh. Saan lang naman napupunta pabango? Sa hangin.
True. Alam mo ba, wala pa ako sa ganong layaman. Yung nagsispray ng ganon, be, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ganon pa rin.
Mindful spraying lang naman.
So, up to 6 pa lang din ako. So, I'm not that rich yet.
Okay na yun.
Gusto ko yung ganon.
Okay na yun.
Wala pa doon. Ikaw, ilan?
Honestly, 4 lang.
Ay, bongga. Okay, as you're not that
4
rich,
lang.
be.
Oo, be. Kailangan kapag ayoko na, bebenta ko pa rin yun.
Oo, tapos ang gagawin ko, kung may event ako, dun lang ako, bago ako bumaba ng
Yes.
kotse, magpapaganyan.
Yes,
Parang
tama.
tipid, pero
Oo.
luxury.
Yes, tama yan, tama.
So dahil pag-usapan natin, love, na feeling ko, pinakamayaman ko na is 6 na spray at sa'yo naman 4. Meron ka bang feeling mo na pag ito ay ganito, pag ganito is talagang pangmayaman, may ganun ka bang feeling?
Well, sa akin naman kasi, hindi ko alam kung masasagot ko ng tama yung tanong mo. Pero ang sa akin kasi, it's all about being mindful when you spray. It's about spraying at the right
Places. As you
yes. So yun, parang it's more about being mindful by spraying on your pulse points like here, here. Pero ang sa akin kasi, here, and then sa batok.
Do you rub it in?
No.
I rub it in.
No, do not. Because it destroys or it accelerates the parang journey nung perfume. Kung baga, pag spinray mo kasi sa balat mo, ang unang naaamoy mo is yung top notes.
Mm-hmm.
So, when the top notes parang dissipate, ang lumalabas na is yung heart and yung base notes. But when you... So, pag ni-rub mo siya, you are promoting more heat into the fragrance oils.
So, basta daling nawawala.
Hindi naman kumbaga, nawawala lang yung pinaka-top note. So, hindi mo ma-enjoy yung buong fragrance kapag ginawa mo yung pag-rub.
Okay.
So, I suggest, if you spray ka dito, ganunin mo lang. Patuyuin mo lang.
Sa nangihinayang ako, nilalagay ko siya sa damit ko, be.
Ayun lang, nandun tayo. Pero, ideally, if you want to parang enjoy the entire fragrance with all of the top notes, the heart notes, and the base notes, do not.
As a fragrance collector, do you often match your fragrance with your bag?
Yes, actually, it's just like matching your outfit with your bag. Ganun lang din siya. Depende sa mood mo, depende sa anong trip mo. Sa anong trip mo sa araw na to. Although with fragrances, I think just like bags, sa bags kasi meron different kinds of trims. Merong leather, merong fur, may exotic, may canvas. Syempre, doon din lumalabas yung factor ng weather.
Okay, my
Yes.
question is, if you're wearing a Bottega Veneta, Jody, what perfume are you going to wear?
Ay, ang suot ko ngayon is Creed.
Ay,
I would wear something na parang
Donya.
bebe girl,
Uh-huh.
pero freak in the sheets. Freak in the sheets?
Next, if you're wearing a Louis Vuitton Speedy, starting ka pa lang sa bag game, so magsa-start ka lang din sa iyong journey ng fragrance, what would it be?
I would wear probably a Jo Malone.
Ay, shit.
Jo Malone or a Diptyque. Kasi
Oh my God. So, I'm in that era pa, love.
parang hindi naman. Nasa ano ka na? Nasa Roja ka na.
Thanks to you.
Si Roja, Roja 51.
So, a lot of guys here or clients love wearing the perfume of Baccarat Rouge. So, what bag naman can you pair with that?
Sa Baccarat Rouge, I would wear something na timeless. Sa tingin ko kasi ngayon, I feel like the Celine bags, yung mga Triumph, yun yung parang sobrang timeless ng itsura niya ngayon. In the same manner, I would probably wear a Chanel Classic Flap.
With the Baccarat.
Yes.
Next question is if you're wearing pinaka gustuhan ng mga tao, like the internet broke when Valaya ba yun? Valaya broke.
Ay nako, si Valaya, bebe girl. Si Valaya, I would probably wear it with a white or a light colored bag. Any brand.
Question again. If you're going to recommend 3 perfumes for people who wants to start collecting, what would it be?
Well, I just want to preface myself before I answer that is sa pabango kasi ano yan kanya-kanyang taste yan. Parang sa bags din, kanya-kanyang taste din. And syempre, importante is i-try nyo muna yung fragrances. Kaya tayo may department stores, marami pong pwedeng samplean doon.
May
Ganyan,
point.
diba?
Paano kapag katulad
Pero,
pupunta ako ng YSL tapos ayaw nilang ipapress sa akin, be?
Ay, be.
Ayaw nilang papress. Bibigay lang nila sa akin dun lang sa paper.
Sabihin mo, hindi. Dapat, yan, iba ang rehistro ng pabango sa balat kesa sa papel. Kasi nga, pumapasok yung pH level ng balat natin.
True. Actually, sabi ko nga, spray mo naman dito and then if it still smells good after I run around.
Ang technique ko dyan is, I browse the fragrances, I spray it on the blotter. Pag inamoy ko sa blotter, tas medyo gusto ko siya, sabihin ko sa kanya, magsispray ako sa balat ko because I want to wear it out first. Kumbaga, ang importante din kasi dyan, yung not just the skin chemistry, but also the performance of the fragrance kapag nasa balat mo na siya. Meron kasi parang pag sinabi mong Baccarat Rouge, parang, uy, matagal yan, matagal sa balat yan, mahalimuyak yan. But in some cases, meron ding mga tao na parang 2, 3, 4 hours lang ang tagal sa balat nila. And that's again down to the pH level of their skin. So sometimes parang nadidishearten sila kasi bumili pagkamahal-mahal ng Baccarat.
25.
Yes. Pero parang isang oras lang nagtatagal sa balat nila.
True.
So yun yung parang I wanna highlight yung importance ng pagsubok muna ng fragrance bago nyo bilhin. So to answer your question, ang masasuggest ko ngayon, si Baccarat kasi medyo overplayed na siya Overplayed na siya. It's bagay siya ngayon sa panahon natin kasi rainy season ngayon at the time of this recording. Pero ang masasuggest ko is to keep something that is floral. One that is floral, one that is citrus, and then another that is more deep. Parang more deep in the parang
vanilla
or
musky.
parang woodsy category. If you have to ask for specific names, depende na lang din sa price range. Pero kung papasok tayo sa mga low tens,
Jo Malone?
Yes, Jo Malone. Ang favorite ko sa kanila ngayon is yung English Pear and Sweet Tea. It's a variation
Remix,
of the English Pear and Freesia. Sa vanilla naman, ang favorite ko ngayon is, actually matagal siyang favorite, nasa collection ko siya, hindi ko lang nagagamit. It's the golden, vetiver and golden vanilla. Yun yung sa Cologne Intense ni sa Cologne Intense ni Jo Malone. And then, kung sa citrus naman, medyo mahal to pero feeling ko marami makaka-appreciate na girls dito. Celine Parade.
Okay. Alam mo, you've been to Celine and I've smelled their tobacco. It's so good.
Maganda ang perfumes ni Celine.
Celine
It's all
tobacco.
parang signature nila is parang powdery
Parang
it's like a hazy,
yan.
parang French mess.
Do you think that fragrance is more than investment or just like an emotional buy?
First and foremost, for me, it is more of an emotional thing. Sometimes kasi when you buy fragrances, it's sometimes like when you buy bags, parang bumababa po ang EQ natin. At parang
Once
mapapasubo
na-touch,
na lang
yes.
tayo talaga.
Yes,
na parang,
tama
uy, shucks,
yan.
talagang dream ko tong bag na to. Pero sa fragrances, parang, uy, parang ang bango talaga nito. Parang feeling ko, ang ganda-ganda ko.
True.
Nakaka-boost siya ng confidence ko.
Yes.
Parang feeling ko magugustuhan ng asawa ko to or parang magugustuhan to nung nung ka-text ko sa
Bakla yung
sa
uso ba
Tinder.
text? Pero yung alam mo, totoo yan. Kasi for me, every time, like, di ba, we have lots of perfumes.
Yes.
And then sometimes pag we feel down, there's this one perfume that really gives us an instant boost.
Yes. And
Diba?
that could be also your signature scent.
Yes, na parang
Yes.
kasi parang may memories na pag lagi kang nasasabihan ng ganda-ganda mo, ang bango-bango mo,
Yes.
sarap mong charot.
Totoo yan. Totoo yan.
Diba?
Totoo
So
yan.
parang lagi mo na siyang i-wear.
Oo, totoo yan. But to answer your question about investments,
Ay, the
perfumes
first
as
thing.
investments, it could be possible.
With yourself.
Not just with yourself.
Wow.
Meron kasing mga perfumes na, and I'm just gonna be really technical here. Sa perfumes kasi, sometimes they differ in batches. So it's like a Louis Vuitton Speedy from the 1990s.
Na mas matibay, mas maganda.
Versus a Speedy from the
15 and 17.
Yes.
Yung nasisira.
Na nagka-crack agad. Ganon. Parang you would say na parang, uy, mas bago to. Dapat mas mahal to. Pero hindi. Mas may value yung vintage kasi better made si vintage.
Okay,
Ganon.
that's so nice. Pero I believe also in the terms of investment, people always think math is mathing. But for me, girl math lang yan, love.
Yes.
Kung naubos mo yung perfume na yon, pero nakadakot ka naman ng isang afam na kaya kang buhayin habang buhay.
ROI ka na, girl.
ROI ka, bakla.
ROI ka na, girl.
Diba? So,
May
alam mo,
pang ka na. May
true.
pang supply ka na nung refill niya.
I just hate the fact that when we were so young, we were raised, I think, in a very, hindi naman tayo mayaman.
Yes,
am I right?
very frugal.
Yes. So, naiinis lang ako nung unang panahon, laging iniisip na magtipid ka, that the only thing for us to get rich is when to acquire, save and then acquire lots in the future. But now, I want to change the perspective of people wherein the bags and the perfumes are an investment for yourself to feel good, to look better, and eventually get better opportunities, just like you.
Yes.
Right?
I honestly think that purchasing bags,
And
more
perfume.
on bags, they are sitting investments. Meaning, when you invest money in a bank, it sits there din naman. Nag-i-interest din naman siya. But sometimes, kasi with bags, minsan nakaka-jackpot tayo. Kunwari, nakabili ka ng Chanel na parang 80,000 lang.
Totoo.
Pero ang market value niya talaga is 140 with the right buyer.
Totoo.
So, pag ginamit mo siya ng ginamit, cost per wear mo, negative.
Totoo.
Nadadagdagan.
Mhm.
So, I've
Tama
experienced
yan.
that
Tama
firsthand. I purchased a bag for 125,000. This was peak pandemic. I sold it 2 years later for 220.
Good job. Hindi na, medyo ngayon mahirap na actually.
Yes,
Alam mo kung
that's-
bakit?
oo.
Because people are now smart.
Tuso na. Oo.
Tuso
And
na.
I think kasi at the time na binili ko siya, parang it was at the height of the pandemic. So a lot of people were parang trying to dispose of things na parang hindi naman nila nagagamit. Kasi paano mo gagamitin yung Chanel mo nasa bahay?
At marami nag-regret.
Yeah.
Diba? Kasi biglang nag-peak yun.
Yeah.
Pero going back to the perfume, as a person who is very impressionable impressionable ka ba? Iba pa rin yung sasabihin na parang ilang beses mong masasabi na, uy, ang ganda niya, tas ang bango-bango pa niya. Diba? So
Yes.
talagang for me, tama yung question nila. Like, if it's an investment because if you're into marketing, if you're into networking, if you're a business
It's how you
person,
present your
yes.
It's
Down to the perfume.
Yes.
Isipin mo, nakaganito ka pero maasim ka, be.
Exactly. So sabi ko nga sana, naka-Birkin ka nga, may bayabas ka naman. be.
Truth, diba? True.
Ano na, be?
So I think fragrance and bags goes
Mhm.
along with like when your lifestyle changes, isa sa mga bagay na dapat mong lagyan ng investment because not only does your fragrance make you feel good, but it also somehow gives off what your personality is like.
Yes. And hindi kasi nakikita ng mga tao usually. Kasi hindi naman tangible yung parang character development. Hindi naman tangible yung parang self-improvement mo.
Totoo.
Na sometimes biglang babalik na lang sa'yo as maybe a job promotion.
True.
Or like you said, an AFAM. Ganon. So, hindi mo marirealize yun until later on na parang, uy, ito palang bakarat na to. Binigyan ako ng Harvard.
Ay, baka totoo yan. So,
Yung
meron akong
point.
friend,
Oo.
bumili siya ng Creed na puti. Tapos sabi ko, bakit favorite mo yan? Bakla yan yung, poison ko sa jowa ko. Yan talaga yung kinaadikan niya
Really
sa
to?
akin. Bakla, ay, babae talaga to.
So baka Aventus for her. Or
Yung
si
puti.
White Flower.
Basta puti.
Si White
Oo.
Flower. Oo.
Nakakatuwa lang kasi talagang kaya ko na-share yun. Na yung perfume niya, iniisip lang niya yung wala. Pero naka-landing siya ng bilyonaryo, be.
Oo. Kita mo, parang ROI ka na dun. Baka kakabili ka, baka pwede pang pambili yung
Bakla,
cream.
totoo.
Pambili si
Naka-Birkin
need
na
mismo.
siya!
See? Oh, hindi naman, yun nga, hindi ka naman pwedeng parang naka-LV ka, pero, di ba, amoy dukha ka.
Oh, bakla amoy bench. Yung wala spray. Pumunta ka nung high school, di ba? Yung
Oo.
perfume, yung spray na pwedeng perfume, yung, pink. Yung
Oo.
pink.
Kasama pa nun yung yung isa pa, si Aqua sa, oh my God.
Oh, ito
saan
pa,
ka
be.
papatawag ka doon?
Memory replay. Malala mo pag college ka, anong amoy ng lalaki? Axe. Ngayon na naman yung lalaki na, mga,
Dior Sauvage.
na, diba? Pag Dior Wakla, ayoko talaga. Ayoko.
Maganda ngayon sa lalaki yung yung sa Guerlain, yung Habit.
Habit?
Oo. Yun ang maganda ngayon. Kasi parang it's more, siya underrated siya, but it's a very original fragrance. Hindi siya yung parang copies from multiple brands.
What do you think about people buying, di ba, may tinatawag na decant, may tinatawag din na tester. Na parang instead of 20,000, they will replicate it, say a bottle, and then mas mura.
Oo. With testers, some sellers, they market testers. They market fake items as testers.
Yeah.
Parang sa mga pre-owned bags, yun yung nakikita mo sa mga Facebook.
Class A.
Hindi lang.
Ano yun?
From Japan auction.
Ay.
Yun yung mga usually na nakikita kong language nila. So sa perfumes, it's si tester, si mall pull out, si oil-based ganito, chururut ganyan.
What can you say about it?
Honestly, if they really are indeed fake, I hope that buyers become more smart in terms of purchasing, because if you do end up purchasing a fake item, it could very well damage your skin and your health also. Kasi hindi natin alam yung mga chemicals na hinahalo nila doon.
That's good.
So it could be potentially harmful.
True. That's so nice. Pero para sa mga taong hindi pa afford pero gustong mangarap, go ahead. I-ready nyo lang yung kati-kati.
Oo. Pero ang masasuggest ko naman sa ganyan is meron naman tayong mga inspired. Maraming mga, sa local fragrance market kasi, sikat talaga ang mga inspired by ganito, inspired by ganyan.
So that's okay.
Oo naman. Parang, ako rin naman, as a fragrance collector, I started from inspired. Pero, ngayon kasi, even though I still appreciate yung mga inspired, I greatly appreciate more yung mga original Filipino creations. Kasi, bakit tayo as a seller parang, and I mean no hate to mga sellers ng mga inspired fragrances, while they are affordable, parang to me kasi it's
a disrespect.
A bit.
Yeah,
Yes.
kasi parang ginaya mo. Totoo
Yes,
naman. Pero tayong
yes.
Pilipino naman,
Pero
yan ang
I
culture
totally
natin,
understand.
love.
I
Yes.
totally understand, and I mean no hate. I came from that also. Before I moved on to yung mga original niche creations. But apart from that, marami po tayong mga original perfume creators na nagbebenta ng perfume na 1,500 lang,
Pero galing ka.
3,600. Si Tadhana Fragrance. I just wanna promote my friends Si Tadhana Fragrance, meron silang perfume na 50 ml for 3,600. It's an all original. Yes, girl. Sobrang ganda ng performance.
Wow.
Feeling ko marami kang magugustuhan sa kanila. They have 6 scents. My other friend, si Greg Parilla, he just released few weeks ago yung last addition niya to his Dreamers collection. It's a collection of 4 perfumes na tigo 1,500 lang or 2,000.
Ilang ml?
50 ml.
Oh, wow.
And they're all original. They're all
Gold
original.
creations. Yes.
And parang to me, parang pag-support mo yan sa OPM.
I love OPM right now. And then Cup of Joe. Ang ganda-ganda pa ng Cup of Joe. So yeah, I think that is good, meaningful conversation with you. Wherein even though na high class siya, ang mga bags niya is mga Chanel and
God, show tayo.
mga Guerlain. Pero tingnan mo, she also know when to support. And I think we should support our own Filipino brands if you can. Is there any perfume that really touched your heart to a point that it gave you memories that you did not expect?
Yes. Kasi ako, like I said, purchasing perfumes is truly parang an emotional experience. And when I started my fragrance journey, one of the very first fragrances that I purchased was a perfume that reminded me of my dad. At the time, he was still alive, and noong time na yun, parang sobrang ganda ng relationship namin eh. Parang, my dad kasi, he passed away from cancer last October. And before he passed away, parang ang daming mga bridges na kailangan ayusin, na parang bago siya mawala, para malinis ang loob ko, malinis ang loob niya, maayos kaming nag-part. Oo. So, meron kasing time na parang nagkaroon kaming misunderstanding ng dad ko, and then nung bumibili ako pabango, biglang naalala ko lang yung tatay ko, na naalala ko yung pagkabata ko, na honestly, it took me back to uh, a memory na parang na 5 or 6 years old ako. Binubuksan ko yung, kasi tatay ko abogado may attache case yun. Pagbukas niya, merong pabango doon, nakatabi parang, alam mo yung blade ng barbero? Yung blade ng barbero na,
Pang-shave.
oo. Naalala ko, nahiwa pa ako dun sa kasi parang nilalaro ko, di ko na alam kung ano yun. Pero pag naamoy ko yung pabango niya dun sa loob ng briefcase niya na yun yung naalala ko nung naamoy ko yung perfume na binili ko. And it was a limited edition Jo Malone fragrance. So, when I
Yaman ng
smelled it,
nanay-tatay mo, ha?
when I smelled it, I purchased it. No. Yung binili ko 2
Oh,
years
okay.
ago. Oo, yung pabango ng tatay ko nun was a Dunhill something. Dunhill Chururut. So nung binili ko siya, nung naamoy ko siya, sabi ko, shucks, kailangan kong bilhin to. Kasi parang I want something na parang it will remind me of my dad. And nung pinamoy ko sa kanya, sabi niya parang, yan, ang bango nito. So, sabi ko parang, sige, sa'yo na yan. So, kumuha ko ng isa pa. Kasi nga limited edition. Tapos nung chugi-chugi na,
Pag namimiss mo siya, at least
yung inaamoy
maamoy
ko.
mo, di
Oo.
ba?
Parang remembrance,
That's so
kumbaga.
nice.
Oo.
At least you had that time and that moment
Yes.
in order for you to feel na talagang, oh my God, this is not just a memory of me, of my father, but it's a memory of finally me giving something to my father.
Yes. And it's honestly a throwback to good memories talaga. It's a memento of good memories and a memento of a wonderful relationship. Even though parang complicated relationship kasi kami.
Have you ever worn a perfume during a hard time of your life?
Yes, of course. Of
Which
course
one?
I have. Hindi ko, if I have to name one, yung binili ko na yun.
Kasi parang feeling mo,
Nasa mood mo pa rin yun
Oo, and then tsaka pag binili mo yun, you feel like you have your father beside you.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes.
That's so nice.
Parang, just the other day, parang I was just thinking about my dad kasi malapit na yung birthday ko, and this will be the first birthday that I will spend na wala na yung tatay ko. So, parang, nagkaroon ako ng thought na parang, shucks, ang sarap sana makausap yung tatay ko. Kahit yung parang pagalitan mo na lang ako, parang, para lang makausap ko lang
Nakakamiss mo
siya.
siya.
Oo. So, yun talaga yung pagbalik lang nung alaala, kumbaga. Pero meron ding times na kapag kunwari may hardships, kailangan ma-feel confident ka. Talagang fragrance can be a great booster or a mood lifter. So, yung fragrance mo na parang nagpapa-feel sa'yo na powerful ka, na boss bitch ka, ganyan.
Na baby girl ka.
Oo, yun. Yun ang gagamitin mo.
So what can you advise to the people who wants to start their fragrance journey?
What I can say is, you can always start small. You do not have to have the latest fragrance. You do not have to have the most popular, most expensive fragrance. You start by buying from the heart. Kung ano yung nagre-resonate sa'yo na pabango, yun ang bilhin mo. Regardless of its value or the cost or whatever. Syempre, pag hindi mo pa afford, andyan ang decant.
That's so
Andyan ang
true.
decants. Andyan din ang mga inspired sa local fragrance market.
And I do believe that this year or this generation, hindi na tayo nakikisabay sa uso. We wanna be unique.
Yes.
And that's where the
You break
Filipino
free from Yes.
perfumers come in. Kasi hindi mo sila kilala. Kapag umamoy ka talaga, oy, wow, sino yun? Ano yun?
Tama. Totoo yan. Nasa time na tayo na all of us want to have our
Own.
signature scent. And nasa sayo talaga yan. Kung ano yung nagpapasaya sa'yo, dun ka.
So, I hope that you like this episode with Pat. I knew that it's gonna be fun, exciting, and unhinged. So again, thank you, Pat, for coming here.
Thank you, Stephanie, for having me. Sobrang nakakatuwa na in-invite mo ko dito kasi like I said from the start, parang sobrang ang laki ng tiwala ko, ang laki ng kumpiyansa ko sa'yo. Not just as a friend, but as a business person, as a, kumbaga, hindi naman kanegosyo, pero parang
Ka-journey.
Yes.
Ka-journey. We're on the
Oo.
same journey of finding ourselves,
Yes.
finding what we are best with, navigating adult life, navigating this future that no one knows what really is going to happen. Am I right?
Yes.
Pat, please, I invited her because I believe in her vision too. So please, Pat, promote yourself.
Okay, so once again, my name is Pat. I am a fragrance collector, and I also like to write about my favorite fragrances on my page, Niche Nook Frags. You can find me on Instagram and TikTok. You can also find me on Instagram. My personal Instagram is @patsantiago_.
Yeah, so kapag binudol ka niya, puntahan niyo ako, akong bahala sa kanya. So yun lang. Actually, I'm promoting people here in my page that I really believe in na yung kamay ko, bibigay ko kung gagawin ka niya.
Thank you.
Thanks again for tuning in. This is Stephanie Ontenka, your bag bestie. You can follow us here in YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. We are always uploading every episode every week, so stay tuned and thank you. Bye!